Congratulations to you, to all my money lovers. I just discovered an app that you can get paid once you create an account with this platform, and you will get monetized instantly. Yes, no more 4,000 watch hours, no more 1,000 subscribers. Now, this platform will get you monetized and you start earning immediately you upload videos. Amazing, right? If you have been looking for an online platform or a platform or even a website that you can start earning and getting paid immediately, then this video is for you. So all you have to do is just watch this video till the very end, because I'm going to show you this app. Yes, this app are monetizing a lot of creators. I don't know if you have heard this app before. This app is no other app than Rumble. Yes, Rumble is a platform that you can earn once you create an account, upload videos, and you start earning immediately. Unlike YouTube, you have to struggle for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And if fortunately you gather all those things and get monetized, YouTube might even from nowhere flag you with inauthentic content, reuse content, and lots of them. Now, if you are that person that have been looking a way to make money outside this YouTube, then this platform called Rumble is there for you. All you have to do is just very simple: create an account, upload your videos, and verify your account. Then you start getting monetized. Guys, do you know the beautiful part of it? I just created my account few days ago before making this video, and I'm here to upload my video. So if this sounds interesting for you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and always turn on your bell notification so that you get updates whenever I drop an amazing video like this. You all know that I always drop an update and I don't fail my update. So if you are interested to know about this app, let me walk you through and show you step by step how you are going to upload earnings, your earning process, everything about the app, your uploading, your data analytics, everything about this Rumble that have been getting a lot of people monetized and they are making money. So if you are that creator and you are interested, let me walk you through. Okay, just calm down slowly, make sure you watch it till the end. Let's go. So for you to access this platform called Rumble, if you want to get the app, all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and download Rumble. But if you want to make use of their website, you come over to your Google and type Rumble, rumble.com. Okay, so once you click on rumble.com, you click on the search. Once you click on the search, yes, this first interface, this first site that you are seeing is the one that you are going to click. Okay, so I want you to be mindful of their logo. So can you see their logo up here? This green color that is like triangle something. Okay, so you tap on it. Once you tap on it, now it will not bring you to your page. Now this is my dashboard. Okay, now when you look at it, you can see a lot of videos. People have been uploading videos on this platform. People have been uploading both news, both a lot of things. Okay, now can you notice something? This particular platform looks like YouTube. Yes, but it's not actually YouTube, but it has the features of YouTube. You can post your short, you can post your long videos, you can go live. Okay, now let's talk. For example, now you want to upload a video, but before you upload a video and start earning on this particular platform, you have to verify your account. Yes, you have to verify your account by using a US number. So if you want to upload your video and start earning on this platform ASAP, immediately, so all you have to do is to come over to this green icon that says plus. Once you click on it, so now you can upload video, go live. Yes, you can go live on Rumble. Yes, while you use the YouTube Rumble Studio, yes, you can definitely go live. So all you have to do is click on upload video. Once you click on upload video, it will bring you this interface where you have to share and upload your videos and also license your video. So tap on this select video to upload, and let's just upload one of my video I already have on my gallery. Okay, So let me upload one of my video. Let's say I will upload this one. Yes, let me upload this one. So once you click on done, yes, once you click on done, yes, the video will start processing. So while it's processing, you can come over here and add the video title. Let's say the video title is make money online. Yes, that is our video title. Then come over here and you can put your video description. Yes, you can put your video description, describe what your video is about. Okay, let's add a little description. In this video, you can learn how to make money. Okay, how to make money. Yes, okay, and get how to make money. That's all. Then come over here and add your description. Yes, and add your category, whatsoever category of the video you are uploading. Yeah, let's say for example, the video I just uploaded is how to make money, so you put it on how to. Okay, now the other one is secondary category, is not actually necessary. Okay, then you come over here and add your thumbnail. Yes, let's say for example you have a thumbnail for the video, but before you create the video, you have to make sure you create the thumbnail first. So you click on the empty blank space. Once you click on the okay, you come over here and click on choose your own. Now it will take you to your gallery. Let's add this one. Yes, let's add this one or this one. Okay, let's just add this one for the main moment. Okay, you click on done. So come over here, you add different type that is related to the video making money. Here we have make money online. Yes, make sure you add the related keywords. Make money online, finance, okay, and a lot of them. Okay, just add so many things. Remote jobs, okay, add so many things. Okay, now we have to come over here, feature video on the top of your program. Now if you want the video to go live immediately, like to publish the video immediately, you click on public. But if you don't want it to go live, maybe you want to unlist it and private it, then come down and do the necessary things, you click on private. Okay, so but for now I want this video to go live. Okay, I want this video to go live. All I will have to do is click on public and the video will go live. Then here you click on upload videos. Okay, now once you upload your video, the video is already uploading. Okay, now if you want to check your earnings, once you click on your profile here, you have your dashboard. So you click on your dashboard, is where you are going to see your earnings. Yes, if you look, I have my statistics and analytics, my account overview. Now this is where you are going to be seeing all your timing earnings. Okay, all your timing earnings and your followers. But right now I don't have any followers. You see your active subscriber. Yes, on this platform you only have 50 subscriber or 50 followers before you can be eligible for the Rumble partner program. And here this is the payments and this is the transactions of everything you are going to be getting, when the money will be entering into your account. Okay, now these are the money, these are where you can see all your earnings data, the analytics, how your money are entering, how your money are moving. Okay, now this video has given me about 10 views. Yes, this video has given me about 10 views. Can you see it? Massive, like immediately. Okay, now new subscriber, I've not gotten any new subscriber, but I've gotten new followers. I've gotten about 2 followers. If you want to verify your account, so all you have to do is to come over to your account setting, this account setting, and you click on verification. So once you click on this verification, it will bring you to this interface where you have to verify your account. Okay, and I know this is where a lot of people have been getting issues, yes, to verify their Rumble account. Now I want you to know something. This Rumble verification is not available in Africa. Yes, it's not available in Africa unless you have a US number. Okay, and I might actually make a video about how to get your US number for verification. Okay, and if you have watched to this point, I want you to comment in the comment section US creator. So I'm going to create a separate video on how you are going to create your US account to verify your number, your visual numbers, and all of that. Okay, so here, if you want to verify your account, here they said upload videos and use live streaming, make money and cash out your earnings. Okay, and leave comments on videos. Okay, now if you're in US, you can just select the country of your choice. Okay, select the country. Remember, I told you that it is not actually available in Nigeria unless you are using a UK or US number. Okay, so once you select your country code, you put the number here. Then once you put the number here, you can now decide whether they will call or they will test you, okay, through the landlines and mobiles. Okay, note, only one account at a time can be verified with the same number. You can use one number to verify one account. That is what it means. That is what they are saying here. Okay, now let's head over to other things. Now, like I told you, I will make a video later. Okay, so if you want me to make a video about US number, just let me know in the comment section and I will be there to reply you. Okay, now if you look, you can see people are creating both gaming. The beautiful part of this platform is that you can even post gaming, you can even post finance and crypto, you can also post sports, podcasts, viral, leaderboard, vlogs, news. That is why I say you have to put tags that are related and also categorize your video. Okay, now, so this is this platform. Okay, and a lot of creators, when you look at it, you can see that people are getting a lot of views, a lot of comments, now let's just say you want to check your account setting. Maybe you want to say something in your account so that you can actually be qualified. Okay, remember, while setting this account, you have to put in your full name, your phone number, your date of birth, your address, your postal zip code, your country, your PayPal. Yes, now this one is very important. This app is going to be paying you through your PayPal. Yes, your Pioneer accounts. They are going to pay you your money through your PayPal. Okay, so if you don't have a PayPal account, I will actually make a video about it. Okay, so if you want me to make a video, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, and I'll just make sure you put all your necessary details or everything you need to about yourself, put it here and everything will be saved. So this is all about this platform, and people have been cashing out. So if you want to check this local account, you can check it, and you can actually connect your local account. And another thing is that you can also connect your local account so that you can also get benefits. You can also get traffic from other places. Maybe you connect your YouTube to it, your Facebook to it, and a lot of them. Okay, so let's click on this connect local account. Do you have a local account under a different email from Rumble account? If you have another account on this Rumble, you can connect it, but if you don't have, you can create new accounts. Okay, if you have not created a Rumble account, go right now and create your account, and I promise you will start earning once you upload videos and get monetized. Okay, so there are a lot of settings I want to show you here, but I don't know if you have the patience enough to go through with me. Okay, so that I will show you. But even though this video will be long, but at least let me show you everything about this platform. Okay, now if you want to follow some channels, okay, just go through your feed and you just see any channel that you are interested with. Okay, any channel you love, maybe any channel that is related to what you want to be doing on your Rumble channel, and follow them. Okay, so you can see so many people. So this is all about this platform. I'll urge you to go and create an account right now, verify your account, and you can start earning on Rumble. Yes, on this platform. Okay guys, now a lot of people have been earning. Go right now, create an account, sign in, and verify your account. So if you're having issue on how to verify your account, just let me know. I'll create a separate video on it. Okay guys, so this is all about this app. If you find this video interesting, and if you want more on this video, and if you want more about the US number, do wait to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload a video like this. Thank you, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.